Day. Laban ng
Sino laglag?
sila. Sino matatalo dyan?
Sino magkatalo, laglag?
Okay, magandang laban to. Do or die situation ata. Ang matatalo sa iyo next season.
Oh, knockout game.
Okay, good luck. Up. Ulit. Ramos, number 4. Rebound by number 1. Ayan na, Figueroa. 4 points. Rebound number 13 to Figueroa. Wala. Nakakuha yung jersey number 9. Steal by number 26. Kodetsky. Balik kay Kodetsky, 2 points. Lowin Ramos for 3. Parang hindi ko nakikita si Don Tiborcio. Don Tiborcio, where are you? Hey, Bamba Ramos. Lowy, 2 points. Ayun lang, naiwan si number 26. Binawi lang agad. Rebound by Castor. To Figueroa. Kodetsky. Wala. Castor friend. 8-2. Chavez. Jersey number 9 ng CCF. Ramos. 14. Hinapot pa. Wala pa rin. Hinapot. Ayun lang, malakas. Kodetsky ngayon. Figueroa. Time out. CCF. Back on the ball-in, 6 minutes of play. Ramos. Bola ng GC. Steal by Chavez. To number 2, Lowe. Lowe to Ramos. Ayan na. Tumagda, iba. 28 foul.
First personal.
First team.
Pasok, pasok.
Odetsky, wala. Nakuha pa rin ni Castor. Masahe ng masahe. Opens. Chavez. Score natin 12-5, 3 minutes and 20. Figueroa. Number 13, kakain na, 2 points. Ayun lang, naiwan si jersey number 22. 14-7. Castor Roy traveling. Sumayaw ng cha-cha. Bawal na po ang cha-cha sa basketball. Ramos again for 3. Rebound by foul rep.
Second personal.
26.
Second personal, second.
Second personal, second team substitution. Two shots by Tumang. Okay, split charity, 14-8. Fourteen to shoot. Iwon, wala. The points by number Modetsky. 16-8. Number 22. Yes, sir. 16-10. Pinawi lang. 4 points. 45 seconds. Traveling violation.
35 seconds, 35 seconds.
14 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Seconds to shoot. Two points. 20-10, 15 seconds. Buzzer na lang yan. Two points, 5 seconds. 20-12. End of the first quarter. Okay, bang.
Arasin mo na, Pres!
10 seconds to shoot. Ayun lang, naiwan si number 11. So number 5, may foul tayo kay number 2. 20-12 ang score natin. First personal first team, 2 shots by Bell. Same ball tayo. Personal second team. All 20. All 20. Ayan na. Malakas. Nakuha ni number 19. Number 5.
First personal second team.
First personal second team.
Sobrang dami nyo.
Wala. Nakuha ni Castor. 2 points by Castor. Grabe yung Castor. Ramos. Cadiz, dinali. Grabe naman yan. Deadlock ulit. 22, 3 minutes 33. Figueroa. Stop and pop. 2 points. 24, 22. Good ball. Nakuha ni Ramos. Ramos. 2 points ulit. Deadlock. 24 all. Babawiin ni Castor. To ay di 35. Wala pa rin. Steal by Figueroa. Figueroa. 14 to shoot. 14. Grabe din yan. Louie. Last na substitution. Ayun lang, naiwan si number 5, Bell. 26-24. Tanawin, Ramos. Steal by Kuya Rons. Ayan na, Kuya Rons. Ganda ng pasa. Tumang, Gundoy, may foul. Late tumang. Pero may foul. Apat ka na, substitution, warning for penalty. Ang lamang yan, tumang. Ayun lang. Okay, last throw, rebound tayo. Bawal na bawal yan. Bawal lang tumawid. Jaywalking. 50 seconds. 5, tuka. Oy, traveling violation. Kitang-kita, bayon, traveling. Ay, palitan lang. Kakain na, kinaliwa lang, 2 points. Oh, last shot, 20 seconds. Umang to number 9. Of 12 seconds. Five seconds. End of the second quarter.
Binumba pa.
Kuya Rons for 3. Kadetsky, wala. Ramos. Walang time out. Pula nila. Walang time out. O, time out! 8 minutes and 15.
Hindi ma. Balik ito yung sa'yo na. Hindi. Yan. Dalawa sa kapatid. Tropahan.
Dalawang pa 40, no? Tapos tatlo to. Hindi ako nakita.
Foul number 13, blocking foul. First personal, first team. Substitution. Mamaya na, mamaya. Pag na-shoot, may sub ref. Okay, walang sub ha, walang sub. Wala pa rin. Substitution. Ramos, Kapos. Kuya Ron. Balik kay Ramos. Good luck, all 30. Ayan na, kakain na. Kogetski. Foul basket. 32-30.
First personal, first team.
First personal foul, first team. Second team.
First.
First team. Complete charity by 33-30. Babawin sa tres. Grabe si Kuya Rons. Yan yung hustle player. Nag-aabang lang. Kumang, din ang makita. Thank you, shoot. Foul tayo sa solution.
Second personal, second.
Second personal foul, second team. Hindi, tawagan mo na lang doon. Kakain na. Wala, may hawak tayo kay number 1, Castor.
First personal, 13.
First personal, third team foul. Kogetski. Personal, 30. Kaya naman. Basket down. Foul number 16.
Second personal, 13.
Second personal foul, 13. 37-30 substitutions. Sige, 3 minutes and 35. Lamang ang GC.
TGB.
TGBTG. Ramos Tuberos for 3. Wala pa rin. Kogetski. Rentang pa rin niya. Rentang foul. Number 9.
First personal, warning.
Warning for penalty, first personal foul. Okay, 1 point. 38-30. Complete charity. Time out! Wala na kayong time out. Wala na kayong time out. Nakuha ni Kuya Rons. Ay! Kogetski. Kogetski. Wala. Nakuha ni Figueroa. Trying to shoot. Kakain na. Sa kanya pa rin. Lumabas. Kuya Rons. Sinubo sa ring. 41-32. 2 points. 43-32. Round GC 51, 57 seconds, 43, 34.
Hindi na dadagdagan yung pagkabuti na sa account ko. Hindi mag-live. Mas marami per viewers.
Score natin 43-34 in favor of GC. Fourteen to shoot, Senas. 10 to shoot.2 points, Goddess. 43-36. Last shot, ha? 20 seconds. Ayun lang. 10 seconds. Noah. 5. Buzzer na lang yan. Bonbon ka na.
Pagpaport pa.
Next na board.
Okay, back to the ball game. Figueroa. 14 to shoot. Grabe ang pasol. Rebound by Kumam. Pasol na naman. Ayan na. Bola ng
CCF.
CCF. Same ball tayo. Odetsky. Marshall. Same ball, 8 minutes and 25.
Shot lock daw.
14.
Mamaya na po, mamaya.
10 to shoot.
Nice one.
Pressure tayo, foul.
Substitution.
Substitution. Foul number 24, Kumam. Sige, tawagin.
First person.
First person ang foul for team. Points by number 19. 45-36. First person out for team. 7 minutes. Passing down. Foul number 35. First personal, second team.
Anim na lang.
Okay. 39-45. Anim na lang yan. Foul tayo number 02.
Third personal, second team.
Third personal foul, second team. Time out! CCF, 5 minutes and 48 seconds. Bola nyo. JC, TV. And the shoot. Foul tayo, Cadiz. Reset to 14.
First personal, 13.
First personal,
Third.
third team foul. Ayun lang, lampas ka na. Oh, ingat-ingat tayo ha, ingat-ingat. Foul tayo sa jersey number 13, 5. Second personal, 13. Okay, pasok. 5 na lang yan. Apat na lang yan. Binangga yung pader. Nakuha ni Ramos, 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Uy, may foul tayo, number 14. Warning for penalty.
Bilis, oras!
Stop and pop by Cadiz, wala. Ako ang naging superstar. Wala pa rin nakuha ni number 16 to number 22. Cadiz Ramos. Pinilit, tutumang, wala pa rin nakuha ni number 26. Ayun na, nagmamadali si number 26. Dire-diretso lang sa buhay. Goal! Wala pang tawag, wala pang Kobe, wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni Ramos. Tumang. Langgaan. Substitution. Penalty tayo rin. Third personal foul, penalty. Time out kayo, time out. Pag na-shoot, time out rep. Pag na-shoot pa, pag na-shoot yung pangalawa, yan. Yan yung time out. Hindi, time out sila pag na-shoot. Okay, wala. May foul tayo. Substitution ref, sige, stop.
Warning penalty pala.
Warning for penalty, substitution. Substitution. Last 2 minutes. Saan ba kayo dyan? CCF for the 741. CCF, wala na kayong timeout dito sa kabila. Dalawa pa. Sige. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, good luck. 6 lang yan. Walang timeout. Walang players timeout. Ito boy. Figueroa. 49-41. Sir, mamaya. Ano lang yan? 2 points. 49-43. The points. 58 seconds. Ramos. 47 seconds. Ayun lang! Nagiwan! 2 points. 44 seconds. 10 for 3. 9. 53 for 8. GC, 53-50. 32 seconds.
Isa na lang kayo nila.
Okay, JC. Isa na lang timeout sa kabila. Wala. Okay, 32 seconds.
Tigil-tigil, di ba?
32 seconds.
Tiget!
Oh, foul. Penalty tayo. 22 seconds.
Third personal.
Third personal foul.
Shot! Yes!
Wala. 22 seconds. Walang timeout. Walang timeout.
Wala na.
seconds. Two. 10 seconds. 2 points. Dalawa lang yan. 9 seconds. Ayun lang, pwede pa yan. 5 seconds. Panalo sana akong na-shoot. Congratulations. Nice game, 54-52.